Welcome. If you've ever wanted to unfollow an account from a group chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is quick and straightforward. In this guide, I'll walk you through each step so you can manage your group conversations with ease. First, open your browser and head over to X by typing x.com into the address bar. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages and groups. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand menu and click on Messages. This will take you to your inbox, where all your private conversations and group chats are listed. Find the group you want to manage and click to enter it. Inside the group chat, look towards the top of the screen for the info icon, usually represented by a small circle with an eye inside. Click on this icon to open the group's details and settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts that are part of the group. Now scroll through the member list until you find the account you want to unfollow. Next to their name, you'll see the Unfollow option. Click on Unfollow. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to unfollow this account. Confirm your decision and you're done. That's it. You've successfully unfollowed an account from within a group chat on X using your PC. This simple action helps you keep your feed and notifications focused on the people and content that matter most to you. Managing your social experience on X is all about staying in control. By regularly reviewing your group memberships and who you follow, you can make sure your timeline stays relevant and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a hand managing their X groups. See you next time.